Authentic assessment plays a crucial role in early childhood education, especially in inclusive settings. It involves evaluating children's development and learning through real-world tasks and natural interactions, rather than relying solely on standardized tests. This approach provides valuable insights into each child's progress, strengths, and areas where support is needed, making it particularly effective for diverse learners. By using authentic assessments, teachers can plan more meaningful and developmentally appropriate activities that cater to individual needs. Additionally, these assessments foster stronger partnerships with parents, allowing them to better support their child's growth at home. In this lesson, we will explore why authentic assessments are essential in early childhood programs and how they contribute to a more effective and inclusive curriculum. Ibig sabihin po dito sa authentic exam, nakikita kung ano ba yung progress ng mga bata. So, hindi lang siya nakikita through paper and pencil test. So, dito tinitignan din yung mga behavior ng mga bata, kung sila ba ay ready na makipag-socialize, kung ano yung mga needs na kailangan na ibigay ng mga teacher na tutukan sa mga bata. There are various reasons why authentic evaluation is especially important in inclusive early childhood programs. Real-world context. Authentic assessments focus on children's actual performance in real-world tasks rather than standardized tests. This approach allows educators to observe how children apply their skills in everyday situations, providing a more accurate representation of their abilities. So, ibig sabihin po dito sa real-world content na pinapakita ng mga bata, so dito hindi lang puro yung teacher na nagbibigay ng mga exam sa kanila para makita kung may naintindihan sila. So, dito pinapagawa sila ng tinatawag ng mga performance tasks kung nai-apply din ba nila yung mga learning na nakukuha nila sa mga teachers.
Family engagement. Authentic assessments involve families by inviting them to participate in observing, supporting their child's learning progress. This strengthens the relationship between home and school, helping families understand their child's development. For example, family engagement. Maaaring ibahagi ng guro ang portfolio ng bata upang maobserbasyon ng magulang at hingi ng kanilang opinion tungkol sa mga activity na gusto ng bata sa bahay. Sa ganitong paraan, parehong nasusuportahan ng paaralan at ng bahay ang interes at pangangailangan ng isang bata. Feedback for improvement. Authentic assessment give educators valuable insights on child strengths and areas to develop, helping shape future learning plans. This ongoing feedback enables teachers to adapt lessons to fit child's unique needs. For examples of feedback for improvement, kung ipinapakita sa assessment na nahihirapan ang bata sa fine motor skills, maaaring magdagdag ang guro ng mga activity tulad ng paghulma ng play or paglalaro ng mas mabuti o kasanayan o kaalaman ng bata, habang sila ay masaya pa rin sa kanilang ginagawa at natututo ng mas alam nila.
Different kinds of assessment. Observation. Observation assessment is a method of evaluating an individual's behavior, skills, or performance by systematically observing them in a specific context. So dito, as a teacher, kailangan mo na malaman kung ano ba yung mga needs ng mga students mo. So dito, magbibigay ka ng certain activities sa kanila para makita mo kung hanggang saan ba yung level ng understanding nila. Para dito, kung nalaman mo kung hanggang saan yung level of understanding nila or sa kahit anumang bagay yan sa behavior man nila, sa attitude nila, kung how well sila mag-perform, kung hanggang saan yung kaya nila, malaman mo as a teacher para alam mo kung hanggang saan yung limit ng ibibigay mo ng mga activities sa kanila para appropriate din sa kanila. Next is work samples. Work samples assessment is a method used to evaluate an individual's skills, abilities, and performance by having them complete tasks or projects that reflect the actual work they would do in a specific job or role. So dito naman, kanina sa observation, ino-observe mo habang sila gumagawa ng activities kung kaya ba nila, kung ano yung attitude nila, ano yung behavior nila throughout the activity. So dito naman sa example, sa work samples, titingnan mo na yung mga resulta. I-evaluate mo na. So dito, titingnan mo yung abilities na kaya nila. 'Di ba kagaya nga po ng sinabi natin kanina kung hanggang saan yung kaya nila, yung naaabot nila ng knowledge nila at dito saka tayo magdadagdag ng mas malalim na learning para sa kanila.
Performances. Performance assessment evaluates a person's skills, knowledge, and abilities based on how they perform specific tasks or activities. Rather than relying solely on traditional tests, it measures how well an individual can apply what they learn in a real life or practical situation. Products. Product assessment is a structured evaluation focused on determining the quality, effectiveness, and appropriateness of a specific product. It involves examining different aspects based on the content to ensure the products meets desired standards or objectives. For example, in an art class, student might be asked to create a sculpture. A teacher evaluates the final product by considering aspects such as creativity, technique, durability, and adherence to project guidelines. This approach assesses the quality and effectiveness of students' work. Dito mo makikita o malalaman kung nagawa ba talaga o nabigay pa nila yung product na gusto ng isang guro na napakita ba yung creativity, quality ng isang product sa art class. Ito ang halimbawa ng authentic assessment sa inclusive education ay ang learning portfolio, kung saan iniipon ng guro ang mga gawa ng bata tulad ng guhit at larawan ng mga activity. Ipinapakita nito ang tunay na kakayahan ng bata gaya ng visual storytelling sa halip na tumutulong sa guro na iakma ang aralin sa kalakasan o kakayahan lamang ng bata. Kasama na rin ang mga magulang sa pagsusuri ng learning portfolio upang magawa o malaman ang mga angkop na paraan at pagkatuto para sa bawat bata.